This video is for how to put an add-on cost to a truck. So in the case we are rebuilding a truck for a customer or doing one of our internal rebuilds on our regular work orders for them, work orders are only going to put parts and labor into the cost of the truck that we're building. But there is a way to make sure that we've got our sublets and freight and all that sort of stuff in there as well. And so that's what we will be doing today. Alright, so what we're doing, this is how you do an add-on cost. Obviously you know how to do a normal PO. That's something you're used to. Sorry, my computer's running a little slow today, running off my hotspot. But if you don't just want to add normal parts on this PO, you've got to figure out, well, how do I get freight into the cost of that truck and sublet and all that sort of stuff. And this is the way to do it. So first of all, you go to that vehicle record itself. So say this was the vehicle here that we need to add freight and all that sort of stuff to. You click on it. It'll bring up the vehicle record. You come over here to cost. Alright, and say I need to add some sublet to it. Alright, it brings me up. Oh, going back, I click on add new cost. It pops up this purchase order. It puts the vehicle in there, and I don't do anything with this vehicle. Don't mess with that quantity or anything like that. But it'll automatically pop up this adjustment screen over here. So let's say I had a sublet where I sent it out to get the cab painted. Okay, something like that. So I put in my, I call it sublet because that's what it is. I sublet the work out. What did it cost me from the vendor? Say $1,000. And my description is painted the truck, something like that, whatever it is, whatever the description is of the thing. Okay. Then, and obviously you pick the vendor that you sent it out to get it painted from. We're in the test file here, so use Bobby Johnson for example. Let's say, just for sake of showing it here, let's say that we also needed freight in. So maybe we had received some parts in for this vehicle as well, and now we need to get the freight in associated with it. And so we had $250 in freight in, for example. Alright, all you do is once you get that done, you do your normal PO stuff. You put in your notes about what it is, which, as a reminder, the actual way you do that is date, name, and then had truck, painted, whatever your notes are on it. You always copy those, paste them. They're both in internal and external. All you do is save it. Let's say in this particular case, I'm going to leave the PO open. Alright, thanks, it's successfully posted. Now we go back to our vehicle and check it out. Right here, we added an extra $1,000 in cost for the paint of the truck and the freight in. And I should have had the description when I put it in. Freight for the engine, whatever it is. And you see now my cost of the vehicle went up for all these. These were just some ones that I was testing, that sort of thing. But that's how you add in additional cost related to the vehicle. Alright, that's it.